IBC yumba igomana na horni othe agiturwa keo president Pierre Hoya umuthe mushamanio wa gwetha mwerekera wa meharire magithurano gya gucokerwo na mushamanio urio ucokire gutirio na ona thengia mushamanio ucio gutirio Raila Odinga agomana na kamiti ino akimiuria itirie githurano kiria kirariirio wake na kiumia giukite. Raila akiuga miario mwikiriri gitwa wa kamiti ino ya githurano Wafula Chebukati kuga ndagirira akenya githurano kina waraganu kumana na abukirira iria IBC ikoretwo igitungio ni gitumi kiiganu gya gutiria githurano kiu.
All my motions have been defeated by a majority of the commissioners. Under such conditions, it is difficult to guarantee free, fair and credible elections.
So if the chairman of the IBC is saying that he does not think that he can deliver a credible election process, who is Uhuru Kenyatta to dictate, to say elections must be held? If he just wants to go have his own contest, he can have it.
Ona kweyeheria gwa Commissioner Rose Nakombe na itumi iria araheanire cia kweyeheria ni undu ungi ngwatano ya NASA ihandite hari gitumi gia gutirio gwa githurano kiu. Na Chebukati eranire kugomana na President Uhuru Kenyatta Jumatatu ya kiumia giukite kiama kia Jubilee ni kieranire President Kenyatta dakanyita itemi miario-ini iyo na miario iria Raila akoretwo agititirithia.
And those circumstances, do you think it would be proper for me to meet with Kenyatta? Because it's made to appear as if I'm the one who is begging for a meeting. That I want this because I want Nusu Mukati. I don't know how many times I need to tell them I don't need any of those poisoned Mukatis from Jubilee.
Viongozi wenu sasa watakuwa wanachaguliwa kwa boardroom. Ati mwananchi hana haja tena. Ati viongozi sasa muende kwa boardroom, muketi, mukubaliane vile mutagawanya serikali na mwananchi hahusiki na mambo haya hata kidogo.
Na mehariria maya magithii na mbere IBC iranire maratathi makura marambiririe gukinya guko bururi-ini Jumamothi ino. Jubilee na IBC magititirithia no nginya githurano kiu githaganio ta uria kirariirio NASA ihandite guthagania mirurungano muthi ucio wa githurano.
It will be maybe Jubilee popularity contest, opinion poll, but definitely not an election in the Republic of Kenya.
Thirikari ni iranire muthe wa tariki 26 ari muthe wa kuhuruka kuhotithia a Kenya gucuka miti. Kiribotira Inooro TV ritora kun Macharia wa Gachuru.